Hello students, welcome back to Study Materials. I am your English teacher Sanmesh Andeli. Let's start with your next poem, Meadow Surprises. Let's begin with your glossary. Meadow, grassland on which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. Hullugavalu. Brook, a small stream. Chikkatore ಅಥವಾ ಹಳ್ಳ. Drinking straw, long tube like part of the mouth of an insect, ಕೊಳವೆಯಾಕಾರದ ಕಡ್ಡಿ. Fuzzy, like a fine soft mass of hair, ಧೂಳಿ ಕಣವಾಗಿ ಹಾರು, ಅಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹಾರೋದು. Explore, here in your poem, look carefully at, ಜಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದು. Buttercup, wild plant with yellow flowers, ಹಳದಿಯ ಕಾಡು ಹೂವು. Dandelion, small wild plant with bright yellow flowers, ಗಾಢ ಹಳದಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂವು, ಕಾಡು ಸೇವಂತಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Flutter, here move in the air, ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗು. Burrow, a hole in the ground made by an animal, especially a rabbit, in which it lives or hides. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಲ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಅದು. ಮೌಂಡ್, ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮನೆ ಅಥವಾ ದಿಬ್ಬದ. ನೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕರಂದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಕೇರ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಭಯಗೊಳಿಸೋದು, ಭಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸೋದು. ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು. ವೆಲ್ವೆಟ್, ಸಿಲ್ಕಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಮೆತ್ತನೆಯ ರೇಷ್ಮೆಯಂತಹ. ಹಾಪ್, ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಜಂಪ್, ಕುಪ್ಪಳಿಸು ಅಥವಾ ಜಿಗಿ. ಸಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಕಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ with your partner to ask or answer these questions. Explain why you think your answer is correct. Quote from the poem when necessary. Write down your answers. First one, meadows hide secrets. True or not true? Answer is true. Second one, the grass in this meadow has grown tall. True or not true? That is true. Third one, what does the poet mean by the words velvet grass? Answer is, velvet grass means the grass is so silky and soft, so that poet advises to walk slowly on that delicate soft grass. Fourth one, what do butterflies do when they flutter down and sit on flowers? Answer is, butterflies while doing so, it seems to use its mouth parts like a drinking straw. Fifth one, what is a buttercup? Buttercup is a wild plant which bears yellow flowers. Sixth one, why did the rabbit hop? The rabbit was sitting very still. When it was scared, it hopped to escape from the danger. Seventh one, imagine you are sitting by a brook. Write 2 or 3 sentences about the sounds you hear. Answer is, by sitting by the side of the brook, we can hear the sound of moving water, the muttering sound of birds, rabbits in their nests, and burrows. Next one, what are meadow houses? Answer is, meadow houses are nothing but the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, and the ants' amazing mound. Ninth one, what is a dandelion? Dandelion is a weed with large bright yellow flowers followed by rounded heads of seeds with downy tufts. These tufts, when dry, which can be easily carried away by the wind. I have given the meaning of the tuft at the last of this page. 10th one, how does a meadow tell its secret? In stanza 6, you will get the answer. Meadows have secrets and surprises to tell. If we want to discover these surprises, we have to look and hear to find them. For example, first one, if you look underneath a stone, you may be surprised to see a mushroom growing underneath. Second one, if you listen in silence, you may be surprised to hear a bird singing sweetly. For the tufts, meaning bunch of grass. Bunch of grass is called as tufts. Next one. These are some meadow surprises. Can you add one or more surprise? Yes. If we keenly observe the grass in the meadow, we can see crickets, grasshoppers and millipede crawling along. Millipede ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಜರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಲುಳ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Deep one, writing. Read carefully the 2 paragraphs given below. Supply the words that are not given. There are 2 paragraphs, you have to fill the blanks. Last week was an eventful week. We went to a safari park last week. Riding through it, we saw a tiger. The word tiger had to fill. Tiger lazing in the zoo. Next word is then. We then went to a den. Den means cave. Cave andrena guhe. Den there. Even as we were looking at it, a peacock, the word peacock, spread its feathers and dancing, the word dancing. My friend Neeta came back from Brookfield in the US. She said she actually watched a grizzly bear. So we had some exciting moments last week. Second paragraph. But my most exciting moment was when I was walking across a meadow, the word meadow. The land, the word land, was flat, but suddenly a rabbit hopped ಅಂದರೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗೋದು, ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕುಣಿದು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಹೆದರಿ. Hopped up as if from nowhere, word where. It looked like magic, word magic. I went near to explore, word explore. The rabbit word had dug a burrow, word burrow, in the meadow and made a house, word house, for himself and his family. That's it, students. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get notified. Please share the video to your friends also. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thanks for watching and support me, please. Thank you.